Kanha, Orin. Oh, right. But you were so far on your Kanha. Then why that distance float plays hide and seek with your smiles? And why your coy lips call his name with moistened eyes? Oh, right. But what is life if there is no Kanha? Tonight let your aanchal fly and flowers drop in your plight. Just like all complaints fade when tears meet love midnight. Not just yet, Arun. Oh, don't leave me tonight, just yet. For that moon has lit desire in such places, when a coy night hid in your untamed tresses, that stars to have only just met. Oh, don't leave me tonight, just yet. See how fireflies now tired have gone to sleep, and how a fire in that cold hearth waits to be lit. Let's no longer make that fire wait. Oh, don't leave me tonight, just yet. Two moist eyes have for long longed this night, when two souls love their homes in moonlight. Let two verses melt before it's late. Oh, don't leave me tonight, just yet. Healing scene, Orin. Smile enough for the world, my love. Let me come to you when you have nothing but tears to share. Speak enough to flood all deep ears, but do keep some quiet moments for us if you can spare. Let this world love you in sunshine. Keep only for me your darkest hours to see you in. Let me touch all those naked skirts as my bare words give you sweet burns in a healing scene. Sometimes, Orin, I am that smile with a tear when a sin keeps you from sleep, sinking your face in a pillow and clutching on that bedsheet. I am those words you whisper when a stormy night goes deep, sometimes in love, sometimes in despair.